choice to be kind.
Elmo can't wait to do something kind for somebody.
Well, here's your chance.
How you gonna get him down?
He's too high to reach. I know. I shall lure him down.
But how will you do it?
With a traditional Hawaiian cat dance, of course. Observe.
Oh no! It's here! The letter of the day is here! It's here 'cause the letter of the day is here!
Oh, me get it!
Mother's Day delivery for Mrs. Chapowski.
Oh, this.
Do you know what time it is?
The thing goes grrrr, pop, 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 pop. Skitty kid pop, pop. And the poop, 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 boom. Skia.
Not by the hair on your chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Oh, here's somebody doing a kind thing. It's kind to help someone carry something.
You were the chosen one!
What does Mr. Noodle do to be kind? Hey, let's go ask him. Oh, Mr. Noodle! Mr. Noodle! Mr. Noodle!
I can make sure that no one disturbs you so that you can sleep.
Oh, well, that would be very kind of you.
Kindness to the rescue.
Now we're sure to get a nice, peaceful nap, Radar.
Glaube, sondern Spur, ich kämpfe in ihrer Organisation stahlhart.
Hey, I'm loving this whole spreading kindness thing.
Yeah, but there is one more kind thing I must do today.
Oh, what's that?
Look up